So, hello everyone, I'm back again at episode number 3. Nathan I'm waiting for Nathan. Nathan, are you here? No. I am back. Okay. We're going to play at Capture the Flag. Let's go, Nathan. I know. We're going at Oh, it's happening again. We're going to my mansion again. Oh, we're going to sleep. It's night time. Oh. Nathan, go.
Wait for me.
Go at my mansion.
No.
Oh, he's just joining the game. This pig is sucks.
I'm back the pool.
Go
Not
at
a
my
swimming pool. Pool.
Nathan. I'm at your back. This is your bed.
Where's my bed?
Here.
Where?
Just follow me, I said.
I am in the house.
Nathan,
What?
I'm here at your back.
Oh, sorry.
Go. This is your bed. Oh, where are you sleeping? Oh man, it's happening. Nathan, follow me again.
Bed.
Oh, I just going to get your bed. I forgot. Sorry. This is
I'm
your...
sleepy. Thank you.
Go at me.
Sleep.
And sleep at you. At your bed. Ah. It's so early. I'm going to get some. Nathan, wait for me.
I'm here.
I just going to get some crackers.
Oh, sorry. I'm back down.
Oh, Nathan,
What?
we're going to play at my basketball court. Follow me, Nathan.
Wait.
Where are you, basketball court? There it is! Yay! I found it again.
And then,
I'm gonna dunk! Shoot! It shoot! Yay! Nathan, where are you?
I am flying in this.
Where are you, Nathan? Just wait for me. Oh, there you are. What is this?
Don't! What's that?
I'm going to dunk! Shoot! It shoot! It shoot! And it